We're going to be talking about a quick laundry symbol tip. While we now understand the laundry symbols and what they mean, let's be smart and use our heads about it. Just because that tag says you can use hot water doesn't mean you have to. Maybe you wash your clothes in cold water or tap water. That's fine. You don't have to change your water temperature if you don't want to. The point of those symbols is that it tells us the most aggressive way of cleaning possible that we can use without causing damage to the item. However, you can use gentler, easier methods of cleaning. It doesn't have to be these harsh ways. Now, if you have a stain that you think will only be got out with hot water and you read the label and it says you can use it, then that's fine. But if you're typically a cold water washer, then just keep being a cold water washer. Please subscribe to my channel for daily DIY and organizational videos. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and don't forget, come back tomorrow.